Hi friends, I welcome you all to my channel Talk to Share. Let's see what Sheetal is preparing today.
Hi everyone, today we are making veg coin sandwich. So let's see the ingredients. I have taken some vegetables, boiled coin, chopped capsicum, chopped onion. So we'll mix this. We'll take corn, capsicum, onion, mayonnaise, periperi sauce, white pepper, salt, and little bit of cheese. We'll mix this well.
This is a filling we are making for
Yeah.
coin
Stuffing
sandwiches.
which we are making.
This you can keep in kids' tiffin also. It's a very good
Option
light,
for
and
kids'
have
lunchbox.
light snack in the evening or breakfast. You can add spices according to your taste.
Yeah, you can add oregano, chili flakes.
Alright. Even veggies also you can
Yeah.
add according to your taste.
We'll heat the tawa.
For roasting the sandwiches, right?
Yeah.
You can make it in sandwich maker also.
Yeah, you can make it in any griller or sandwich maker.
Yeah, so you can use tawa or griller or sandwich maker.
So we'll apply some butter on the bread.
Butter is also optional. See?
Yeah.
Yeah. If you don't want fat and all, you can avoid it. Yeah.
But for kids,
Yeah,
they
for
love
kids
it.
it's
A little bit of chutney others on other side. This is the normal green chutney which we make for sandwich.
okay. Coriander, mint, chili, and lemon, right?
Yes.
You can have sauce also instead of this chutney.
You can apply sauce
Sauce.
also.
So some kids love sauce more than the green chutney, right?
Yeah. Now we'll add our peeling.
So this is the corn sandwich with corn filling. You can make any shapes out of bread slices.
Yeah. Now we'll apply some butter on top also, so it can roast it properly.
Okay.
Tawa is hot. We'll apply some butter on top also.
So from both the sides,
Yeah.
we will roast it. Or if you are using grill, you can grill it. So you can make it without fat and all, healthy sandwiches according to your diet plan. Or for kids, you can make it as rich as you want. Because sometimes kids don't eat veggies, so you can add veggies in it. They don't come to know what veggies all are inside. Sauce according to your choice you can apply on bread.
You can see we got
Yes.
a golden brown
Yes.
color.
I think this is a jhatpat recipe of sandwich, right?
Yeah.
See how fast it's ready. Immediate. You can make it for if someone comes home. You have bread, any of kind of veggies or filling or sauce you have, which you can make it In the morning also, we have to think a lot what to keep in kids' tiffin.
Here I have used whole wheat bread. You can use multigrain and brown bread also.
So bread also you can choose of your choice.
Now our sandwich is ready.
Yes.
We'll serve this with some sauce. So our corn sandwich is ready.
Okay, so these are the sandwiches you can give in kids' tiffin or evening snacks or any cocktail party or jhatpat whenever you're feeling hungry. Someone came immediately, instant you can make it. No time in making. You can modify filling according to your choice, sauce according to your choice, and enjoy this coin sandwiches with family and friends. Thank you. Thank you, Sheetal.
Thank you.